Just set up your Stripe account, but wondering how to actually start accepting payments? Activating payments is the final crucial step to go live and begin processing transactions. In this guide, I'll show you what it takes to activate payments on your Stripe account. To activate payments, you'll first need to complete your Stripe account verification. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. You'll likely see a banner or prompt indicating that your account isn't fully activated yet. Click on this to begin the process. Stripe will require you to provide specific business and personal information. This often includes your business type, legal entity details, bank account information for payouts, and identity verification documents. Be prepared with all necessary paperwork to avoid delays. Finally, submit your information for review. Stripe's team will typically review your application within a few business days. Once approved, you'll receive a notification, and your account will be fully activated, allowing you to start accepting live payments. And there you have it. Activating payments on Stripe gets your business ready to go. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.